Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to Quibec TV channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, please like and subscribe. For my previous subscribers, thank you very much for watching. Okay, so today I'll be talking about how to make a mulatto base, a mulatto soap. So a lot of people have been asking me, how is a mulatto soap made? How is the mulatto soap made? How do you make it? What are the things you use? So I'm going to be dropping some of these products you can use for your base soap. So number one product which I'll be dropping today is your Ashanti carrot soap. Now, your Ashanti carrot soap. Ashanti carrot soap is a very good soap. It is a carrot soap. It is a lightning carrot soap. Now, you could use Ashanti carrot soap. It also has a papaya and it also has a combination of both. It has a papaya and a carrot, and the manufacturers recently have been producing a lot of Ashanti soap. We have, I think I saw one that is a milk product or something like that. Malato based soap I'm going to be talking about today is going to be a carrot based soap. I'll try as much as possible to be using everything carrot, except I might decide to add pawpaw to it, but papaya to it. Everything would be a carrot soap. That is what I want to base on. One of the things I want to talk to you about is that when you want to make a mulatto soap, you have to make sure that you use products with similar components together. It is easier that way and it is better that way. If you're going to be using a product that contains kojic, use product that contains kojic. If you want to use product that contains carrot, use product that contains carrot. If you want for papaya, use for papaya or something close to it. If you want for glutathione, use that. You use product that are similar in components. You understand? That is what you use when you're making a mulatto soap. You don't just put carrot, kojic, this thing, just add everything together. You don't do it like that. You follow procedure. If you're using carrot, use carrot. If you're using papaya, use papaya. Make that soap filled with only that component. Don't just add different components together. That is not how it works. Don't damage your skin or your customer's skin. Okay, so if you want, peradventure you want a green color mulatto soap, then you know that all the soaps you're going to be using would be color green. You try as much as possible use color green or white color soaps. So once you incorporate that together, it works well. You get that color. Now, because I want an orange like color, I'm using carrot. I can also use papaya. You understand, for that color. Now it depends on the color you want. So if I'm going to be using ozone with it, I'm going to be, because I want orange, I might decide to use orange ozone. I might decide to, if you want a pink color, you can decide to use a pink ozone color. If you want a blue color, use blue ozone, something blue, just something to make that color. It depends on what you want, but I want the orange like, so I'm using carrot. So I'll start off by grating Ashanti papaya. After I've grated Ashanti papaya, I would add K Brothers. I'll grate Ashanti carrot. Then I'll add K Brothers carrot. So I might decide to add K Brothers papaya or carrot. But for this one, I'm adding K Brothers carrot, Ashanti carrot, one bar each. Then I would add Larenza. Now I love the soap. This soap is a very soft soap. It's quite easy to press. You can see my thumb inside. So Larenza is a very good lightening soap. It lightens very, very well. I've had people use Larenza alone without adding it. It's one of the product people also add to their Super Toner, Cottage Fresh, Debitone, all those their black soap to activate it. This Larenza works very, very well and it works perfectly. Some people use it alone, it is their choice. Some people use it with other soaps and it works very, very well. So you had Larenza. Now, Larenza is a carrot soap. So because I'm using carrots, I'm doing a carrot mulatto. I'm doing the orange one. I'm adding Larenza, 1 bar of Larenza, 1 bar of Ashanti, 1 bar of K Brothers. This is K Brothers carrot. So this is how it looks. If you don't have it, this is how it looks. So I'm adding one of each. I hope you can see that, one of each. I'm adding one of each. The 3 soaps, I'm adding them together. Then I grate them together. Then I have the orange ozone. I'm using an orange ozone because most of the colors I'm using is orange. So I'm using orange ozone. So I'm adding half of the orange ozone is okay for me. This is a K brother. It's also orange, so that means my Malato is going to be an orange color Malato soup. So I'm adding half ozone. Then I would add whitening powders, whitening serums, whitening oil. Add them all together and Malato soap is ready. Now, before you start using your Malato soap, it's best if you exfoliate first. Exfoliate very well, use your scrub, exfoliate very well so that by the time you start using it, it works perfectly and it works faster for you. It's advisable not to put your Malato soap into a plastic container because once you put it into a plastic container, it changes color and it's not something. Malato soap is not something you make in bulk and just put it down. It changes color, so you try and make it as orders are coming in. You make it small in bits so that you won't go and lose money. That is all for now. I hope you enjoy my channel. Bye.